Trivandrum University, partial and chance exam second, 2081, bachelor level 4 years program education, B.Ed second year, population dynamics, population education 429, minor subject question paper, full marks 100, time 3 hours. There are 3 groups, group A contains 20 marks, group B contains 56 marks and group C contains 24 marks. Group A, attempt all the question, tick the best answer, marks 20. Question number 1, which one of the following person published an article named The Bill of Mortality? A. Achille Douillard, B. John Grant, C. William Petty, D. Edmund Halley. 2. Fecundity refers to the ... A. Psychological capacity, B. Psychological capacity, C. Biological capacity, D. Actual reproductive performance. 3. Which one of the following sources of demographic data provides partial information on the population of a nation? A. Population census, B. Vital registration system, C. Sample survey, D. Administrative records. 4. The place to which a migrant moves from another location is known as the A. Place of destination, B. Place of origin, C. Place of pull factor, D. Place of push factor. 5. The value of the gross reproduction rate GRR is always ... A greater than GFR, B greater than CBR, C greater than TFR, D greater than NRR. 6. Which one of the following disciplines is not related to demography? A. Geography, B. Anthropology, C. Sociology, D. Geology. 7. The value of broad birth rate CBR is always ... A greater than GFR, B less than GFR, C equal to GFR, D greater or equal to GFR. 8. Which one of the following components is not included in the balancing equation? A. Birth, B. Death, C. Migration, D. Marriage. 9. Post-neonatal mortality is measured as the number of deaths of children at the age of ... A. Under 5 years, B. 1 month, C. 1 through 11 months, D. Under 1 year. 10. When was the first census conducted in Nepal? A. 1911 AD, B. 1941 AD, C. 2011 AD, D. 2001 AD. 11. The movement of people from another place within the same country to the place of enumeration with a change in their usual residence is known as A. Immigration, B. Immigration, C. In-migration, D. Out-migration. 12. The cord birth rate is considered a rough measure of fertility because ... A. It ignores the structure of the population, B. It incorporates the age structure of the population, C. It ignores the social structure of the population, D. It ignores the age-sex structure of the population. 13. Which one of the following growth rates is usually used to estimate population? A. Logistic, B. Arithmetic, C. Geometric, D. Exponential. 14. The movement of people from another country to the country of enumeration with the purpose of changing their usual residence is known as A. Return migration, B. Lifetime migration, C. Immigration, D. Immigration. 15. Which one of the following disciplines mainly deals with pedagogies of teaching population issues? A. Population studies, B. Demography, C. Population education, D. Population economics. 16. The total number of cases of disease and disabilities in a population within the observation period is measured by the ... A. Prevalence rate, B. Case fatality rate, C. Incidence rate, D. Accident rate. 17. The age dependency ratio is a ratio between the population of ... A. Child to old, B. Old to child, C. Child and old to working age, D. Working age to child and old population. 18. When the value of the net production rate NRR is equal to 1, it indicates ... A. Exact replacement level of fertility, B. Below replacement level of fertility, C. Above replacement level of fertility, D. Extremely high replacement level of fertility. 19. When the ages are arranged to age 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18 years, what would be the mean age? A. 14 years, B. 15 years, C. 13 years, D. 16 years. 20. The sex ratio at birth is defined as the number of male births relative to the number of ... A. Total births, B. Stillbirths, C. Crowd births, D. Female births. Group B. Attempt all the question. Marks 8 into 7 equal to 56. Question number 1. Discuss the meaning and importance of demography. 2. Explain the relationship between demography and geography. Or question. Explain the relationship between demography and anthropology. 3. Differentiate between primary and secondary data and mention their importance in population education. 4. How do the central general fertility rate GFR and general maternal fertility rate GMFR differ? Justify. 5. List the different measure of international migration and explain any on commonly used measure or question. Differentiate between net and gross migration rates with an appropriate examples. 6. Among the different measure of mortality, which one is frequently used to analyze child health? 7. Distinguish between sex ratio at birth and sex ratio at death and illustrate the formula for calculating these ratios or question. Distinguish between population density and physiological density and illustrate the formula for calculating it with a suitable example. 8. Explain the importance of population projection in the context of Nepal. Group C. Marks 2 into 12 equal to 24. Question number 9. Differentiate between population census and sample survey and describe the uses and limitation of a sample survey in demographic analysis. 10. Explain the level and trends of fertility in developing countries using the latest data. Or question. Analyze the causes and consequences of fertility decline with reference to नेपाल. बीएड फर्स्ट इयरदेखि फोर्थ इयरसम्मका जुनसुकै विषयका प्रश्नपत्र चाहिएमा वी लर्न टुगेदर वानएमको प्लेलिस्ट बीएड मेटेरियल एन्ड क्वेसन पेपरमा गई खोल्नुहोला र ती क्वेसनको हेल्पै प्रिपरेसन राम्रोसँग गर्नुहोला. वी लर्न टुगेदर वानएम भित्रका सम्पूर्ण भिडियोलाई लाइक, कमेन्ट, सब्सक्राइब र सेयर गर्न नबिर्सनुहोला.